Gayatri.
And I'm Rahul.
And it's a beautiful summer day. And summer days like this call for summer cocktails.
Absolutely. So today we're going to make a strawberry rose tequila fizz.
What a perfect summer combination. Strawberries, roses.
Absolutely. And you need just a few simple ingredients for this. So you need some fresh strawberries. Here I've got 2 fresh strawberries. One's going to be the garnish and the other one's going to be muddled up.
Okay, nice.
And you need a lime, halved. So
Okay.
we're just going to go ahead and cut up a lime into half. Now you notice that I quickly just took off the
Strawberry hulls, just with that corn more.
Right.
Super easy.
So I'm going to stick one of the strawberries in here. I'm not going to cut it up or anything. And then with my muddler, I'm just going to go right ahead and muddle it in. And the strawberries are quite soft as it is, so
yeah, especially when they're perfectly summer ripe.
When they're ripe,
yeah.
And so getting it muddled up in here is very, very easy. And I've got mush in here just with a few kind of pushes of the muddler.
Okay.
Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and squeeze in half a lime. Right. So
yep, and the citrus press is perfect for that.
This makes enough for 1. And if you wanted to make more, you would just multiply out this recipe for the amount of people that you are making it for. So there's all the lime juice in there from half a lime. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to put in some rose syrup. Now,
and if you don't have rose syrup, you can find it on Amazon and some of the specialty.
Absolutely. Yeah. So
like
a lot of
stores.
ethnic stores definitely will carry this.
Yep.
And you don't need too much rose syrup here. I'm just going to go in with 1/4 of an ounce, which should be plenty here. And the rose syrup that we're using is colored red. There are others that are not colored red. You can use either.
The syrup is already sweet.
The syrup is already sweet, and that's got your sugar in it. Yeah, exactly.
So we don't need any extra
so you don't
sugar.
need that. Okay, and then for the goods, you need some tequila.
Just to let you know too, if you skip that, it makes a perfect virgin drink.
Yeah, all you would do is just add in the ginger ale, skip the tequila, and
it's a
that's
perfect
it.
mocktail that way.
And then 1.5 ounces of tequila, and this is where this jig comes in really handy. It's because all of my measures are etched right in here, so as I'm pouring things in, I can visually see exactly what I'm doing.
And we do like the Kirkland signature tequila.
Yes, we do. So there's that on the top. Then I have some ice in my other half of my shaker here that I'm just going to throw in here, and we're going to give this a quick shake. The nice part about using a shaker for making cocktails is that
you know exactly when your drink is
yeah, you know when it's exactly when it's cold and cold at the right temperature. But then you are also with all that shaking, you're really creating some viscosity in the drink, which is great. You know, so rather than just throwing it all and mixing it in a glass, when you drink this, it kind of feels.
Cool. And the cocktail set comes with everything that you need.
Absolutely. Sorry, just reach in here. All right.
And it also comes with some recipes, but this is not one of them, so.
Yeah, this is our recipe. All right, so then I'm gonna just top it off with some ginger ale, and then give that all a mix. And obviously I didn't want to shake it with the ginger ale because the ginger ale has...
we know what would happen.
Okay, and then we're gonna throw on the
Do
strainer.
We need that? Yeah, we need that, okay.
And then in a glass with some ice in it, you just go ahead and pour that on. And it's a delicious red color
What a beautiful
from the muddled strawberry. And then you would want to just slice the other strawberry into a half, or just put a little here, and then throw it on the side there. And there is a perfectly yummy cocktail.
Cheers.
Cheers. There you go. Give it a taste.
Thank you, sweetheart. Definitely a summer drink. Love it.
Excellent.
Thanks for joining us.
See you soon. Bye.
Bye.